We are the Beach Shacks team of Perdido Key, Florida with Home Smart Sunshine Realty. We have offices right here in Perdido Key and Bellagio shopping area. Our listings and all contact information is at www.shacks.com. Check out this fabulous San Anton, Lost Key property. Stunning sunset views of the golf course, pond and bay. 2 bedrooms west/den, ideal as additional bedroom, bunk room, office, or bonus room. Washer and dryer convey, new water heater, new lighting, new carpet installed 2018, freshly painted green balcony, all new stainless kitchen appliances, Bosh dishwasher, LG convection/air fryer oven, fridge and microwave. Many amenities including a private pool, hot tub, gas grills, outdoor bathrooms, all for San Anton only, 2 elevators in the building. Second pool GEO Thermal, hot tub, fitness room. Third pool of the Lost Key Golf Front Beach Club, tennis courts, also set up for pickleball, golf course, restaurant, bar, pro shop, beach club west/beach shuttle running daily, on your private beach chair and umbrella service, pool, bar, and restaurant. Sidewalks throughout the property, all gated with 24/7 security at the gate. 18-hole Arnold Palmer designed golf course, lots of nature, protected reserves offering deer, eagles, foxes, ospreys, birds, geese, ducks, perfect for walking, biking, playing tennis or pickleball. You will love swimming and a pool, GEO Thermal controlled, same temperature throughout the year. Outdoor kitchen and bar area covered, poolside west/gas grills. Living the dream? Lost Key Golf and Beach Club in beautiful Perdido Key, up to 70% of Perdido Key undeveloped with the National Seashore.